question, we are going to deal with a cylinder. Let's say this is the cylinder kept on its base on HP. Okay, this is a cylinder kept on its base on HP, and this is how it will look like in its front view, and this will be the top view. So top view is simply a circular feature, which is the top base of the cylinder, and front view is simply a rectangle, and this rectangular face is actually the curvature of the slant, not the slant, but the lateral edges of this cylinder, which are being seen from the front. It looks like a rectangle. So this is the top base, this is the bottom base, and this is the lateral curvature of the cylinder. Excuse me. Now let's say this cylinder, just like the previous question of cone, also has one of the points on the circumference of its base on HP, and its axis is inclined to HP at certain angle. So let's give it an inclination with respect to HP. Always the inclination is in the forward direction, as the convention is, and let's put this on HP. Okay, so this is on HP. Fine. Now this is how the second front view is drawn, and the top view will look like this. As we can see how the top base is turned towards the observer in the top, and the bottom base is towards the bottom. We can see in the front view. This is the bottom base and this is the top base. Top base is towards the observer seen from the top, and the bottom base is away from him, and that's why the top view looks like this. The line view looks like this. So here, this is the top base, which will be completely visible. The outermost edges are visible. This outermost edge of the bottom base is visible, but this curvature here will not be visible to the observer from the top. That's why this will be drawn using hidden lines. Okay, now just like in previous questions, let's say the axis, which is, let's go back to front view, the axis which is inclined to HP at certain angle is also inclined at certain angle to VP. Right now it is parallel to VP, although it is inclined to HP, it is parallel to VP. Now this top view length of the axis is suppose inclined to some beta inclination to VP. Let's give that inclination to, okay, let's say this is away from the observer. Okay, so this time what I have done is I'm giving the inclination such that the top base is facing away from the observer in the front, because front view will be seen from this direction. So because it is from this direction, the observer will be able to see the bottom base, but will not be able to see the complete top base. So let's go back to the front view, and this is the front view, line view, and this is the solid view. So as I was saying, the front view observer will be able to see the bottom base completely. Because the top base is turned away from him, he'll be able to see only this part of the curvature of the top base and not this part of the curvature. Let me show that part of the curvature also. This is the part. So this part will be shown by hidden line or hidden curve in this case. So this is the top view which we got by turning the second top view, and this is the front view. So this is the situation. This is the top view and this is the front view. In 3 dimensions, this is the situation. It is still resting on just one point of its bottom base circumference on HP. I hope this will help you in your test for imagining the hidden lines in this case. Thank you.